If you want to make extra income so you can go on that weekend trip with your girlfriend, or maybe you're saving up money to buy your dream home, these are 7 side hustles that you can start while still working your 9 to 5 job. And the best part about this, maybe you do want to transition out of your job and have a full-time income on your own, or maybe you truly do just want to make extra money. These businesses don't take up all of your time, and you can definitely bring in anywhere from like $2,000 to $5,000 a month by doing these on the side. And before we jump in, my name is Sabah Lee, and this channel is all about helping you build the most unforgettable life by being your own boss and make your own money so you can actually live life, because that is what life is about. So side hustle number 1 is sell a digital product. Now, selling a digital product is honestly the number 1 way that you can make extra cash flow. And the reason why is because it is so popular, which means a lot of people are buying digital products on social media, but also you can create a digital product on anything, on any subject, on any topic, on any skill set. To be honest, you can create a digital product on the skill set that you're using at your current 9 to 5 job. And digital products can be anything from creating a course, a guide, an ebook, a template, video lessons, basically anything that you're giving someone digitally. So here's the easiest way that you can create a digital product and literally start to sell it this week. Pick a topic that you actually want to help people with, maybe something you're really good at, something you're passionate about, and I will give you like literally the secret sauce to create like a mini course where ChatGPT actually does all the work for you. So let's say, for an example, you want to help people lose weight. You can go into ChatGPT and ask it, hey, can you create me a course outline on how to lose 10 pounds while still eating like your favorite foods? It will literally do the work for you. So if you don't have that much time to create a digital product, or you're really just struggling with creating the outline, use ChatGPT. It is just so simple, so easy. And I always recommend it to my clients, especially if they just need some feedback to get started, because that way you can customize what it gives you and create, once again, the video lessons, trainings, guides, everything. Side hustle number 2 is become a freelancer on Upwork. Upwork is by far the best platform where you can create a profile and literally get hired for anything. So once again, if you're working a corporate job, 9 to 5, full-time, whatever you're doing at that job, you can use the same skill set to create, it's basically a profile / resume on Upwork, and people can hire you per project and per job basis, and you can get paid a few $100s here and there. And overall, if you do it consistently, you can bring in a few $1,000s every single month. And the best part about it is you can also choose what type of projects you do want to work with. So if you don't want to do a long-term project, you would rather do like hourly type of stuff, you can do that too. And I have used Upwork to actually hire talent throughout my years of being a business owner. And you can find people all the way from video editors, copywriters, to even personal assistants and photographers. So honestly, this is perfect for you if you don't really want to create anything of your own, but you just want to continue using the skills that you work at your 9 to 5 job to bring in just more income. Side hustle number 3 is print on demand. Now, I love print on demand, and I actually did this years ago, and I'm actually bringing it back as we speak in my business. But print on demand is basically taking either a quote, a graphic, words, animations, literally anything, and putting it on a physical product, whether it's like a t-shirt, a mug, coaster, and selling it online. Now, the reason why print on demand is so simple is because you can use a lot of websites like Shopify, Printful, upload your design, choose what type of product you want to print on, and you don't have to print anything, hold any product until someone actually buys from you, which is why it's called print on demand. And you don't even have to do any fulfillment. If you work with a company, they will literally receive your order, they will print the order, they will package it and send it to your client. So all you really have to do is set up the Shopify store, come up with what designs you want to print, and start promoting it on social media to your friends and family members. Side hustle number 4 is being a content creator. And no, I'm not talking about just like the basic content creator where you're just posting content on social media and social media is paying you for that content. Of course, that's also a side hustle on its own. But I have been recently planning my wedding because I'm manifesting my engagement. However, there are in-person content creators that will literally take their phone and go to your events, whether it's a wedding, a corporate event, maybe it's a business event, and they will create content for you on on their phone. And that's literally their entire business. They will make an additional few $100s, few $1,000s here and there. And that can really be a full-time business in the future. So once again, if you're already creating content for yourself, you love to take pictures of yourself, or maybe you do it for your friends and your family, and you love to capture people and you're really, really good at it, might as well turn that into a business. And the best way to do this is basically just start to post your pictures, videos on social media. Type in your bio that I am a content creator in like the state of Florida or in a specific city. And I guarantee you, as you consistently post content on there, people are just gonna find you. And then, of course, tell your friends and family. I remember the first time that I ever got business, it was from my friends, right? And they're the first to actually pay you for the work that you're about to do. And to be honest, if I was starting a side hustle, I would absolutely do this because I love going to events and I'm also really, really good at content creation. Side hustle number 5 is becoming a virtual assistant. Now, this kind of goes hand in hand with what I mentioned with Upwork, because on Upwork, you can literally post and people can hire you based on anything. But specifically, if you don't know exactly what you want to do, what expertise you're really good at, and you're just really good at helping people, just be a personal assistant. There are so many small businesses, entrepreneurs, even families that are looking for personal assistants, and all you really have to do is, once again, create a profile on Upwork, say you're a personal assistant, say what you would want to do. So for an example, if you really do love to do like computer work, whether it's organizing emails, maybe it is creating some graphics, or maybe you really like to do planning, so maybe it's like booking hotels and flights. Like, people literally pay you money to do stuff they don't have time to do. And before I ever even had a brand online, before I ever even had a business, I was actually a personal assistant for one of my mentors, and I would book hotels, I would book flights, I would coordinate events, and it was honestly really, really fun. Now, once again, you can be a virtual assistant. You don't have to do it in person, but hey, if like the job fits and you find someone that you want to be a personal assistant for, like, go for it. And before we go into side hustle number 6, I just want to say every single side hustle that I have listed, I have done, which means it is very, very simple to start and actually get paid for. And a lot of them, I did it before I ever even had like a business background. I didn't know how to sell products online. I kind of just figured it out. So if you're watching this and you've made it this far, it's really simple to set up, start, and get paid with these businesses. Side hustle number 6 is reviewing products and getting paid for it. I don't know about you guys, but I have seen so many people, especially on Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, being paid for simply just reviewing products that they use on a daily basis. Now, if you use a lot of products, whether it's like makeup, hair care, even things that you eat, you can get paid through affiliate commission if people use your link to buy that same product. Or you can actually partner with that product company and they will pay you based on brand deals. And one of the simplest way to do this now is TikTok Shop. There are so many products that you can buy, and they're like cheap products. I'm talking about products that are under $15. You can buy, you can test, and you can then just create videos about how amazing that product is, and then you can get paid for it. And then, of course, you can promote Amazon products. Amazon has something called Amazon Associates, which I have a link for, and they will pay you if you promote products and people buy through your link. So once again, this is a really good side hustle if you already love to buy and use a lot of different products, or maybe you just really love to review products too. You have like a really bold opinion. This is going to be a really, really, really good side hustle for you. And once again, it doesn't really take that much time. It takes like less than 5 minutes to record like a TikTok or an Instagram. Now, the last and final side hustle is probably one that is so high in demand because everybody and their mother are creating videos on social media. So you probably guessed it, side hustle number 7 is being a video editor. If you already post reels, TikToks, YouTube videos, or you are really, really good at editing, might as well create a business out of it, because I promise you there will not be a lack of clients for you because everybody wants to create video on social media, but guess what? Not everybody has the time to actually edit their videos. Just like me, I have an editor who edits a lot of my videos. I have some time to edit some of my YouTube videos, but the majority of my videos I give to my editor because I simply just don't have the time to do it myself. And the best part about this is you can literally go on YouTube and search how to edit Reels, TikToks, even YouTube videos, and you will come up with so much free content and so much free education that you can literally be an editing pro by like the end of the month, or even by the end of the week if you're really quick at learning. And you might be thinking, how do I get clients? A, social media. B, Upwork. Upwork is literally your best friend with so many of these side hustles because there are so many people on Upwork trying to find talent for jobs that they just don't simply want to do. So these are the top 7 side hustles for you to start while still working your 9-to-5 full-time job. And once again, these don't require like hours and hours and hours a day, maybe even just 1 hour a day or even 30 minutes a day once you have your business set up and running. So the next time you think to yourself, I don't have money to buy that cute dress, or I don't have money to go on that trip next month, start a side hustle, because I guarantee you, you can fork in, depending on how much you work, a few $100s a month or a few $1,000s a month. So comment below, let me know what side hustle you are going to start. And of course, don't forget to subscribe because my channel is all about helping you make your own income so you can actually live life. Because without income, if you're always worrying about money, you can't actually enjoy life. And when I realized I can make my own income, it was literally my life mission now to help everybody else do the exact same thing. So don't forget to subscribe because we are building the fam to 100,000 subscribers. And I don't know when that's gonna happen, maybe sometime soon, but be a part of the journey because I'm coming out with some really, really good content that's gonna help you change your life. So that is all for today. I love you guys so much. And until next time, make sure that you stay unforgettable.